Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of AWS Mastery course. And in this particular session, we are going to learn about the Cost Explorer and what exactly this service is all about and what we can actually do with the help of this service. We are going to learn all these things in this particular session. So now let's start the session. So what is Cost Explorer, or I can say what is the AWS Cost Explorer? So it is a kind of a tool, and with the help of this tool, we like as a user can actually visualize and understand and manage the AWS cost and the usage over the particular period of time. Means it is a tool by which we can actually visualize, manage and understand the cost. So this is with the help of this tool, we are just exploring a cost, or we can say managing the cost. It is kind of a tool which is actually being used, I can say, worldwide in order to optimize the AWS cost as well. Okay, so now let's talk about the key features. So there are we are having very interactive dashboard of this tool. Even like not just tool, this service or this tool, like overall AWS, like in overall AWS, we are having very interactive dashboards and very user friendly UI. So that this is the reason why the users are coming back to back on AWS. Okay, and AWS is actually becoming the first choice of the users, or I can say cloud users, over the period of time, okay, as compared to any other cloud service provider. So next we are having filtering and grouping, then forecasting we are having. So now let's talk about the interactive dashboard. Means we are having dashboard, and where we can actually customize the charts, graphs, and we can actually analyze the cost with the help of these charts and graph. And we can actually understand about the services which are being used by a particular user or account, or I can say the services are being used in a particular time period. Okay, then we talk about the filtering and grouping. So we user can actually filter the cost with the services, like which service actually taking charging more. Okay, so this is how we can actually understand. Then we are having forecasting. Means we can estimate the future cost. Let's suppose as of now I'm having a bill of $100. So at the end of this month, I'll be having the bill of $250. Okay, so this is how we can forecast. Means after a period of time, what exactly, like as per our current usage, what exactly they are going to charge us, and we can actually understand about the cost. Okay, so this is comes under the forecasting. So now let's talk about the benefits of using AWS Cost Explorer. So first, insights into spending patterns. Means whatever the like how okay, let me give you one example. So I can say you all must be using Instagram. Okay, so when you are using Instagram business account, so at the whenever you post something, in every post you are having one insights options. Okay, so in that insight option, you can actually understand like how many users are actually liking that particular post, how many users are like your non followers or your non followers. You will get the ratio of like males and females and everything. Okay, so just like this, you can actually you can actually check your spending patterns. Means which service is actually consuming more, I can say capacity, and you're getting charged more on the basis like by only that particular service or something like that. So this kind of spending patterns you can actually understand, and you can I can say optimize your cost. Then cost allocation. Means with the help of this tool or with this service, you can actually allocate the cost. You can actually based on your projects or your capacity. So when we talk about actionable report, means generate reports that can guide cost saving initiatives and help track the impact of optimization. Okay, means whatever the report you're getting, like in which like you can see like how you can actually cause the save in the future, you will be having like complete guide. It is kind of a AWS documentation. So let's suppose you are learning S3, and just like that particular service, you'll be having the AWS documentation for S3. Okay, and in that you will be having the very detailed and actionable learning pattern, where you can actually learn each and everything from that particular documentation. Okay, so this things comes under the actionable report or something like that. Okay, so just like that, you can actually optimize your cost, or I can say you can actually check like how you are actually optimizing your cost based on your spending patterns or which particular service you are actually using. Okay, so I hope you guys have understood about the cost explorer. You guys have understood about the different charts, different graphs, and how we can visualize the cost with the help of cost explorer. So this was all about the cost explorer which we have done in this particular session. So that's it for now. Let's meet in the next session. Thank you so much.